Welcome back. Yep, you guessed it. A wee quick review. Right, what we're looking at, the Trustfire Mini X3. Just like a wee EDC torch. Comes in a wee, what do you call it, box. It's almost got a wee, it's like a wee kind of button. You almost press, slides out. So this thing's 1050 lumens, it says. Looks actually quite nice. Comes with a wee instruction manual. This is it here. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And obviously a wee C charging cable. Right. The actual torch, very nice. It's actually it's magnetic as well. So I don't think I'll get in magnetic. But anyway, I know it's got a magnet on the end of it. It's got a nice kind of clip. What I quite like with this, we're quite good, even actually for clipping on. What I like with the clip, to be honest, is it's got a two-way clip. So you could actually put this into like a rucksack or something. That's one of the options. It's got 4 different kind of lighting modes. Charging part is just on the side here. There we go, just pops open. There we go. C charger. It's got a light on this section here. It's got a light there. Funnily enough, it's also got a wee laser beam thing on it as well. To switch it on, main button. Oh aye, and it's got a, what's those things, the kind of blue light. If you want to, the forensic folk use. I can't even remember, I should have read this, but I didn't. So, 4 different settings, 4 different brightnesses. It's also got the thing at the, you won't be able to see this, right, but there is basically, it's like a wee laser beam. I'm going to go outside and I'll show you it outside each of the modes. So obviously you have it on that, or you can have it on this front section of the light. So I like the fact you can switch it from each one, the laser, front section, or the main beam at the front. So what we'll do is we'll take it outside in the darkness. It's blowing an absolute hoolie, but I'll try what we do. We'll do the, is it, oh, sorry, I'm trying to get it here. Aye. So we'll go through the front beam first, and then I'll maybe switch it over to this one here. Oh, sorry, how did I do that? Aye, that one. It looks bright enough, and it is very, very light. I'll put all the description there, like weights and things down below in the description. I'll also put the link to where you can get it. I can't remember if I've got a discount code or not. Actually looks quite a nice wee light, and it is actually, it's very light. And sometimes it's just nice to have a few wee nice light bits of kit. So let's try it outside, see what kind of beam it gives off, eh? Outside, right, that's the kind of first beam, that's the second beam, that's the third beam, so you can see that's actually pretty bright. If I switch it again, that's the kind of one that's on the kind of side of it. I think it's actually 1, 2, so it's only, I think that one's only got the 2 settings. Laser, and you won't be able to see how far that goes, but actually I don't know what kind of distance the laser goes, but you can probably see it going out the front of us, so quite neat. That is the Mini X3 from Trustfire. Hopefully that gives you a kind of better idea what it looks like. nice light EDC torch. So we'll stick the links down below where you can get it. We'll catch you in the next one. Adios.